Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to advertise for rent on Zillow. All right, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and go to Zillow Rental Manager, which is what we have here. So sign in with your Zillow account if you're not already signed in. And once you're inside the rental manager, just go ahead and look for add a property button and select it. All right, so um instead of starting with add, just click on add a property, and what you're going to be, just follow the prompt, add all the property details. Right, I have properties that I stopped, that I was actually listing but I stopped halfway, so I'm just going to click on that and just follow through with the prompts. All right, so it's still the same thing. So I'm just going to click on what I have done before. That's where I stopped, and I'm just going to follow to the prompts. Remember, if you're starting with a new listing, so I'm just going to click on resume, right? Because I'm resuming, because I started a process before and I just left it. You see the same thing. Once you click on add a property from that particular page, it's going to take you first to property info, where you add property info, rental details, where you add the rental details, media, where you add pictures, amenities, screening criteria. Just follow the prompts, just click, check the boxes that apply, and keep entering the details until you get here. So once you get to final details, this is where you get to add your phone number, and Zillow will send a one-time verification code to this number to verify that the listing belongs to you. Well, once you're done with that, it takes you right. Once you're done with the final details, it takes you to review, where you review all your details before you finally click on publish. All right. So once you complete each item according to how you intend to manage your rental, and you click on publish after carefully reviewing the entire listing and making sure that everything is correct, then your listing will be published. All right, so once you've completed the required information and you have posted your listing, or it's published, all right, Zillow's current listing process will give you the choice to either post your listing for free, which is pretty much at the last page in the publishing page. All right, Zillow is going to give an option to either post your listing for free or to upgrade your listing to premium. So you don't have to purchase a premium listing just to advertise your rental. Now, if you choose the standard option, publish the rental for free. Now, Zillow currently states that the rental listings posted directly through Zillow Rental Manager can be published for free. It also offers an optional premium upgrade designed to provide additional exposure and listing performance insights. But if you choose premium, review the price and the benefits presented to you on the publishing screen before completing the purchase. Now, after you publish, don't worry if you don't immediately see the property on Zillow. Zillow's current help center says that a newly published rental manager listing can take up to 24 hours to appear on Zillow, Trulia, and Hotpot, so you can monitor the publishing status from the property's listing tab. Once the listing is fully published, Zillow provides a view on network option, so you can open and inspect the live listing. So once your advertisement is live, prospective renters can discover the property and transact. So go over tutorial from the top to the bottom to get the steps in. First, once you're done, you'll be good to go ahead and do the tutorial market listing research.